It's no secret that plastic shopping bags are a massive waste problem. In fact, 8.8 million metric tons of single-use plastic bags are consumed each year. I'm sick of hearing about the damage that we're doing to the planet. We need to take action now. Check out Rume reusable shopping bags. They're super stylish, made from durable and easy-to-wash materials, and fully BPA-free. The best Rume bags for groceries. Number 5. ChicoBag VITA Reusable Shopping Bag, Large Capacity Shoulder Tote. ChicoBag is a modern-day classic. The ChicoBag is ideal for those who want to tote groceries or travel with larger items. It's a great size that easily fits into most overhead or underseat bins on planes. It is made of durable, heavy-duty PVC that is machine washable. Number 4. Folding reusable grocery bags, washable, waterproof nylon holds heavy groceries. T-Momo reusable bags are designed for portability. So they fold small and fit in your pocket. But when you need them, they expand to hold a ton of groceries. And when you're done, they fold back up for easy disposal. Number 3. HOLYLUCK Reusable Grocery Bags, Heavy-Duty Foldable Shopping Tote Bag. Foldable bags have been around for ages. But only recently have they really started to gain traction as a practical alternative to traditional plastic bags. And the design that HOLYLUCK uses is great at keeping costs down compared to most other foldable bags on the market. The fabric is also strong and durable. The bags are lightweight and machine washable. And the print quality is excellent. Number 2. Reusable-Grocery-Bags-Shopping-Totes, 12-pack, animal bags with elastic zipper bags. Made from high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. The eco-friendly reusable grocery bags are designed with RIP stop nylon cloth material that is easy to wipe clean. It can be washed in a washing machine with cold water and mild detergent. Number 1. Grocery Bags Reusable Foldable, 6-pack shopping bags large 50 pounds cute groceries bags. Reusable shopping bags are perfect for people that love to leave clean and green. These reusable shopping bags are ideal for taking to the grocery store, and can be used over and over again. They are also great for parties, and make a thoughtful gift for mothers, grandmothers, aunts or friends that are raising children that eat clean. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.